Hey y'all, NicholasTranscends. Making a pot of chili. It's got 1 pound of ground organic grass-fed beef and a can of aduki beans, 1 can of petite diced tomatoes, a can of green chilies, a can of organic peeled tomatoes, basil in that one, and then a big jar, well that's a can, of diced tomatoes and tomato juice. And then I added a little taco seasoning, I added ground black pepper, I added cayenne pepper, I added paprika, I added a whole bunch of garlic powder, and then 2 large onions chopped, but not chopped too much so that you can still see them. I'll let this cook for about 45 minutes. It's ready to serve. Enjoy and season to taste. I don't ever measure my spices. I think the more spices, the better. So you take care. Nicholas transcends every day. Your food should too.